Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share. I've been sent a huge stationery package from Journaltale. There's a mixture of washi tapes, stickers and other journaling supplies inside. So I'm going to go through everything, share my first impressions and give you some ideas how you can use the products. Let's open it up and have a look what I got. I'm really excited to see everything. First up, you get a thank you card. You get one in every order that you make. You've got a discount code on the back, but I've got my own discount code in the description box. Right, you always get some free gifts if you spend over $59. And these are what I've been given. It looks like we've got some washi tape samples, a little notebook, a paper pack, and a cutting board. And all these are free gifts. Right, let's open up and see what I got in my order. I got loads of tapes, absolutely loads of them, and there's loads of goodies underneath as well. I'm going to unwrap all these off camera and I'm going to come back and show you everything that I got. I won't be a minute. Right, I'm back and I've unwrapped everything. So the first thing that I've got is another free gift. This was a pet tape they sent me. I've tried to look for the name of it, I can't find it on the website, but it's a beautiful pet tape, and this is a pre-cut pet tape. It's got some lovely images on it. Could make a lovely journal spread with this. What I'll do is show you that it's pre-cut. They lift up really easy, like that. So that's that one. And I got one more free gift. I'll show you now. I got this one, and I think this is called Rainy Days. And this is a beautiful pet tape as well. Got some lovely images on this, and beautiful blues. And this is a pre-cut tape as well. Be a lovely for an April showers spread, wouldn't it? I lived in the UK, so it's always raining, so I could use this at any time of the year. Next thing is this cutting mat, and this was one of the free gifts. It's quite thick and it's sturdy. It's a good little mat, this. Great little free gift this, isn't it? That's a good thing about Journaltale. They always give you some beautiful free gifts. Got this paper pack as well, and this was a free gift. It's got some lovely papers in this, because I had a little peek. You got some stickers. Got 2 pages of stickers, and then loads of lovely papers. There's so many options for paper on Journaltale's website. If you want to purchase anything that you see in today's video, I will put the links in the description box for you, and I've also got a discount code. I like this paper, it's got like a tea party vibe. Every single piece of paper is a different design. Some really pretty ones in this book, like this one. And this one as well. It's got the Eiffel Tower on this. So that's the paper pack. And then I got this little notebook, and this is just a little book of plain paper. Next thing I got was some free samples of some of the tapes they sell. So they sent me a sample of this one, and then this one. And then I've got this lovely blue one. I think I'm going to have to buy the actual roller tape of that one. And then the black flowers. And these are all pre-cut. And then we've got this pretty one. Right, I'm going to move these out of the way. And next are the items that I've chose. I've got these mats, and these are called the Sticky Ease Peel Assist Cutting Mats. You can use these to peel your stickers by sticking them to it, and it makes it easy to get the backing off. But I use them to protect my pages when I'm cutting out Dutch doors. And you get 2 in the pack. I chose the low tack ones this time because I prefer them when they're not so sticky. Next is this sticker book, which looks beautiful. This is the Alice in Wonderland pet stickers, and you get 50 sheets in this book. I'm going to grab a piece of paper and put it underneath. You can see the stickers better now. They're beautiful. I like these. If you've seen my old videos, you'll see that I've done an Alice in Wonderland spread before in my journal, but I had to get this, so I might have to do another Alice in Wonderland spread. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see another one. This is beautiful. Got so many in this. Let me show you this one. This one looks nice. Look at Alice there. I think we might have to do another Alice in Wonderland spread. Look how many you get. You get so much in this little book. It's great. I highly recommend ordering this. So if you're going to order, get one of these. Next I've got a sticker book. It's this one, and it's the Wonderland Romance series. This one's the Sleeping Beauty one. And in this book you get a sheet of sticker paper, stickers, and you get the matching ones in pet tape. And it's a beautiful little book, this. Got some lovely little images. I like this one. I'm planning to do a Sleeping Beauty themed weekly spread, so that's why I got this one. I like that sticker there. You've got the prints. I like these little books. If you see my Alice in Wonderland spread, you'll see that I use the Alice in Wonderland book in that one. This is a beautiful sticker. And you've got the palace or the castle. So if you want to see how I use this in my next spread, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. So that's the fairy tale themed pet tape washi sticker book. A set of 3 clips of the Eiffel Tower. And they're really nice, these clips. And they're quite heavy, the metal, and they're good quality. And they just clip on like that. I love getting clips because I use them all the time when I'm doing my weekly spreads. And they stand up like this. So that's the set of 3 clips. Next is this set of washi tape. It's called the 8-piece retro colour basic washi set. And I love these sets. I've got every colour set now. In every set you get a grid one, and you get a normal size, and then you get your skinny ones in all different colours. If you see me doing spreads and I'm using plain washi, it's probably out of one of these sets. The next thing that I got was this, and this is called the Fruit Themed Pet Tape, and I chose the apple one. I chose the apple one because I'm going to do a Snow White theme, and I thought the red apples would be perfect for Snow White. I love these, really nice, and you get loads on the roll. And there's loads of different ones you can choose from, all different fruits. Next thing I got was this super wide washi tape with all different quotes on it, and it's got like a green colour. I didn't realise it was going to be this wide, but I'll find a way of using it. The next thing I got was this pet tape, and it's called Vintage Medieval Castle Pet Tape. It's really nice tape, this, and it'd be perfect to do horizontal Dutch doors with this. I have got an idea for this coming up in a future video. Right, I'm going to move these out my way, and then I'm going to show you the beautiful washi tapes that I got. I'm really excited about these. Everybody loved the washi tape that I used in my Alice in Wonderland spread, and these are all from the same brand. You get so much on a roll and they're such good quality. Some of these are pre-cut and some are not. The ones that are not pre-cut I'm going to cut out with my gyro cut tool. Right, let's have a look at this one. Look how beautiful these florals are. I love the colour palette. Got like a very light peach with a cream. It's beautiful. I don't think this one's pre-cut. No, I don't think it is. Let me just make sure. No, this isn't pre-cut. So this is one big sheet. I'll lift it up so you can see. See, so the whole thing's one thing. But what I'll do with this, I'll just get my gyro cut and cut around each flower when I want to use them. Right, this is the one. So this is called Year Studio Orange White Vintage Rose Washi Tape, and it's beautiful. I recommend you get this one. I will try and cut it out with my scan and cut, but I think that's not going to work, so I'm probably going to go round them with my gyro cut and cut them out. I'm really excited to show you the rest of the tapes because I love this brand. They do the lovely, lovely washi tapes, and you get so much on a roll. I can't believe how much you get. Right, let me show you the next one. The next one's this one, and this is called the Year Studio Black and White Time Flower Washi Tape. And look how beautiful this is. You get some beautiful florals and clocks. You've got some big stickers and some little ones. This will make a lovely spread, won't it? You can just picture me doing some lovely Dutch doors with this. And that's not a pre-cut one. The next one is this one, and it's called Year Studio Pink Blue Flower Washi Tape. I know there's no blue in it. I think it's called that because you can choose between blue and pink. And this one is beautiful. It's a lovely subtle pink and cream. And like I said, you get so much on a roll. Then we've got this one, and this is a pre-cut tape. And this is beautiful. It's called Year Studio Pretty Vintage Yellow Washi Tape. And this is pre-cut. So you can just lift them up dead easy. I love these. How beautiful is the yellow in this set? I love it. And look how much you get on a roll. I think I'm obsessed with how much you get on a roll. And this one is another yellow one. This is not a pre-cut. So you'd have to cut this out with your scissors or a gyro cut. But it's beautiful. Got some beautiful florals in this. I like this tape. Right, the next one is called Year Studio Black and White Flower Washi Tape. And I think I've done a spread using this before, but in a pet tape. But this one is in a washi tape material. And this is a pre-cut one. I'll show you. See, they just lift up. Like that. Yeah, I definitely did do a spread using this tape, but in a pet tape. I did a Reef Dutch door. And then we've got this one, and this is just called multi-design washi tape. I think they've got loads of different ones you can choose from, and I chose this flower. I love the blues in this. This is a lovely one. You don't get as much on this roll, but it's still lovely. Right, and the next one's this one, and this is the Year Studio pinkish purple flower washi tape, and this is stunning. I really like purples, so this is a beautiful tape. And look, you get some frames. It's lovely. I like these frames. This tape isn't a pre-cut tape, so you'd have to cut these out. Right, the next one is this one, and it says Year Studio pink flower washi tape. And I've got some beautiful florals on this. You've got some darker pink ones and some lighter pink ones. They're beautiful, are these, aren't they? I like this one. Is this a pre-cut one? Oh yeah, this one's a pre-cut. Perfect. Right, the next one is called Year Studio Blue Flower Washi Tape, and this is beautiful. This is like the pink one I had before, but in the blue. It's a very light blue with a cream, and it's stunning. I like this one. And this isn't a pre-cut one, so you just have to cut these out yourself. They're beautiful. Yeah, let me just check. Yeah, this is not a pre-cut one. Look, it's one big long strip. But it's stunning. And then we've got this one. This is a pre-cut tape, and it is called Studio Zodiac Playing Cards Washi Tape. And you just get loads of different playing cards in gold and blacks and creams. And it's beautiful, this. You get so many different designs on the roll. And they're quite big, these. And these are pre-cut. All these tapes that I've shown you so far are washi tape material. I think they are available in pet tape material too. I will link everything in the description box for you. I do have a discount code for Journaltale, and I will put that in the description box for you. It's for 10% off, if I can remember rightly. There are so many beautiful pieces, and I have so many ideas for using them. A big thank you to Journaltale for gifting me these items. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more journaling and stationery content. Let me know in the comments which item was your favourite. I'd love to hear what stood out to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.